What does the miss mean to you?
It means that, this was the quarter where Estee Lauder was supposed to really turn things around. They had a recovery plan that they launched in November, and it was supposed to bear fruit, and analysts expected a pretty decent increase in revenue this quarter. Instead, this massive downgrade has been issued for the next quarter as well, which just throws into question the efficacy of the whole plan. And to boot, we'll have a new CEO that they still haven't found. Freda is going to resign and step down in the next 12 months, and they're going to have someone new. We don't know who that is. The CFO, the long-standing CFO, is also stepping down. So there's all of this change, and in the midst of it, a turnaround that isn't quite gathering pace in the way that it should.
And to be fair, while shares have risen really, really meaningfully under Freda, they've still been down almost 36% this year. And if you think about that turnaround plan that you were talking about earlier this year, with that added uncertainty about who a new CEO would be, what is the expectation here for how fast they have to find somebody and execute a new plan for Wall Street here?
I think they have to bring someone in really quickly, because there's all of these things that we just talked about. But on top of that, there's external factors that are actually pressuring L'Oreal as well. There's a slowdown in China. The US consumer has been looking pretty weak. And so they're contending with a lot of external and internal factors. And in the meantime, corporate governance is tricky at Estee Lauder. The Lauder family has a 38% stake, but almost all of the voting shares. And William Lauder remains chairman, and that's an executive chairman role, which means that he still has a huge amount of influence. So I think to get Wall Street's confidence after this change, after having the same people in place at the top for 15 years, they really have to move quickly and decisively and show results.